Make sure you have the proper gaskets and seals when you put your 6-liter Powerstroke back together with the XDP EGR Cooler gasket set. The XDP EGR Cooler Gasket Kit includes the gaskets and seals you need to tear your 6-liter Powerstroke down for an EGR cooler replacement. The XDP Gasket Kit is made from OE quality materials and is a direct match to the factory gaskets for a perfect fit and factory-like seal. This gasket kit is a perfect add-on to any factory oil cooler or the XDP heavy duty oil cooler. To find out more about the XDP 6-liter EGR Cooler Gasket Kit, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.